It's my Squishy 101 and today we're gonna make slime outside. So this is kind of like outside, not outside, like something like that, because this is my garden. In my garden I have like a small like tree house or something. It's not in a tree, it's like under a tree, and there's like a small building just to cover the rain, and there's a big table here. So I decided to make like this, so yeah. And if sorry if you can't really hear my voice, or I'm talking too slow or too high, I don't know. Do want like too like I don't want to be too loud because people, my neighbors, you know. So today I'm really bored and I thought to make a video. So we're gonna make slime outside. So let's get started. You'll need clear glue, slime activator, a container, a spoon to mix with, yes, and food coloring, and some lotion. I put this in this. It's actually collagen, and I put my lotion in this. And hand wash. I put my hand wash in this small like bottle. And if you see, it's like, I'm so sorry about that, but yeah, this is the hand wash. So yeah, I'm just gonna make, oh my god, put this aside. And okay, so first we're gonna put our glue inside our bowl. Just pour, I'm just gonna pour this much is enough. And I'm gonna add my lotion. Oh my god, you can't really see me. So now you can see me. Oops, it fell down. So never mind. So this is much lotion I put in my clear glue. If you don't know, you didn't see. So then I'm gonna mix. So I got this kind of glossy type of color. Then I'm gonna add my hand soap. Just gonna add about this much, and I'm gonna mix. So I decided to add more glue because, oh my god, it's in there. So I'm just gonna add this much and mix. So I wanted to color it blue, so I'm just gonna keep this aside and take my blue. And I found that if you add too much, like accidentally add too much, your slime won't be like, it won't be stretchy and like stains your hands and all stuff. So I'm just gonna like make sure you don't add too much of color. So I add this much. You can see my hand is like full of colors. I'm gonna wipe my hands with the towel I brought and then mix. Lucky I had the towel with me the whole time. So I got this kind of galaxy blue color. Oh my god, I had to wipe it. So this is the color I got, and now we're gonna activate it. So I'm gonna add my activator. So I hope you can hear me talking, because sometimes I talk a little bit louder and sometimes I just talk too like and I hope you can't really hear the fan sound because there's a ceiling fan up. So I really hope you don't really hear the sounds because it's quite loud. I can hear it and I hope you don't hear it, because sometimes camera doesn't detect those kind of sounds. I don't know, when I was using the older camera, it doesn't really detect. So yeah, so I've mixed, and if you see, the slime is like getting together. Oh my god, like it's a whole mess. Yeah, my neighbor is kept looking at me. Oh my god, they might think I'm crazy. So this is the slime. So it's gonna, oh my god, This is really beautiful slime, guys. It's really beautiful. So I'm just gonna mix it with my hands for now. Just gonna push everything to the sides, just in case, guys. Only this. I'm just gonna keep it by my side, and oh my god, it's a huge mess. So wait, so yeah, I'm back and let's continue mixing it. Oh my god, I love this color blue. Do you love it? And actually I'm not using any like natural lightings. I'm just using a natural lighting, that is the sun. So I'm not using any others. So this is the slime, and I still have some slime here, so I'm gonna scrape this out, and I'll try not to edit any video, like and not to pause any videos, but when I'm making the slime I just try not to like pause and continue. So I'm just gonna like try not to edit a lot when I'm making the slime, because just for fun, like this is only for this video, so you know what is like behind the scenes usually, what I do, how I do it, and yeah. So if you don't know how I scrape, usually I scrape them out. I just put my slime in there and just use one of my fingers and just do it like that, and everything literally just comes out. And this is really beautiful. If you can see that it has a lot of bubbles, and I think it won't clear up. It will become when the air bubbles gone, it won't clear up. It'll be like it'll be super glossy slime, because I add lotion and lotion won't clear. So I think it'll become like that. So this is the slime we made today. So yeah, so I decided to add some more lotion just for fun, guys. So I'm gonna add this much. Oh my god, oh my god. So I'm just gonna pause the video and I'm gonna take it. I'll be right back. I got my bottle, and so yeah, I'll just stretch it. And got whole much like stretchy, and yeah, if you don't want to add lotion, you can also add baby oil to straighten it up, just for your extra knowledge. But I really like lotion, because when I add lotion it like double up my slime. So yeah, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye. ASMR blue slime. And before I start the ASMR, I'm going to tell you what should I name my slime. So just comment down below.